Hey guys, welcome to the carving tent. In my last video, we did some eyes. One of my last videos, we carved out some eyes in this bear, and we're going to continue to do some more refined work on this bear. Today we're going to be working on carving out his nose and doing just a simple mouth. If you guys want to see how I do that, you want to follow along, maybe pick up some new techniques, be sure to stick around. Like I said, we're going to be doing the nose and the mouth on this bear today. And we're actually going to be starting off with the chainsaw, and then we're going to get into using the die grinders with some saber-tooth bits. So the first thing I want to do is carve the nose rough and the mouth rough with my saw. I'm going to be using my MSA 160, but you can use your battery saw, or your gas saw, no big deal. I'm going to be using a dime tip bar. It's made right by Steel, and I'm going to come in and just do this rough nose, kind of like a V sort of shape here, and we're going to just rough out a mouth, and then we'll use the power tools to clean that up. Now normally I will carve out my bear, get his snout done, and I will do this process then. I will do that nose and that mouth then. So when I get out my power tools to do my eyes, I refine the nose and the mouth all in one shot. So normally this would already be done, but I was thinking I'll just show you guys the step, and I'm already talking way too much, so let's just do it. Super rough nose, okay? You guys can see I'm not like 100% sold on the noses that I do quite yet. They're not where I like them, but again, it'll give you all a good starting point. There's a mouth. Bring you guys in here. Okay. Doing that, and the way I was doing that, and the way it shows on camera can be dangerous. I could deal with kickback. That saw could hit me in the face and split me open. Could split you open too, so be really careful. Don't be so close to the saw. Maybe be back a little farther, you know, and just be conscientious as to what you're doing, because when this bar gets into here, she might want to come back. All right, so just keep that in mind. We are done with the saw. Just a few simple cuts is really all it takes to do that. So the first thing I'm going to start with is my 1/2 inch saber-tooth bit with a 1/4 inch shaft. All the tools I'm using and things I'm going to have links to down below, so be sure to go there and check them out if you want to, I don't know, get the bits, obviously. Anyway, we got to go in and start to refine that nose. Now this is a great time to have some photos of some bears up or be studying them. Mine don't look the way I want because honestly, I don't stick photos up. So just do as I say, not as I do all the time. Put photos up, study that nose, study that snout. Anyway, we gotta get in, we gotta round this corner and round that edge down just a little bit. And then we're gonna bring this in a little farther. And then we're gonna put those nostrils in. So something I seriously love about these saber-tooth bits, they're very versatile. I didn't like the way the top of that snout came down, so I just trimmed it back a little bit using the bit. But we've got this kind of rounded. I'm gonna try to even this side out a little more. Okay, so right there, I created this little groove using the back side or the inside here, where this is kind of fat. And I just made this rounded groove around the top of the nose. See it? Hopefully. Okay. Hopefully you guys can bear with the camera shots. Bear. Anyway, we're gonna get back in here and round this in some. You guys might notice I keep getting carried away because as I make a cut, I notice, oh, that should be trimmed back more to now accommodate, you know, what I just carved. So don't be afraid to just keep, you know, trimming it and doing whatever you got to do to make it look the way you want. So now we're going to come in, hit these, and just do some really quick, simple nostrils. I'm going to admit, when you do this technique right here, sometimes you got a risk of this thing jumping all over the place on you. So just have a good grip on it and be ready for it and ease in. And when you go into it, pull back. In and pull back, okay? Because if you just jam that, it's going to pop all over and you might destroy the work you've just done. So for now, I'm done with that nose. It's not super straight because I'm off to the side, but it's there. We're going to go in and clean up the mouth. Just hit those upper lips and just sort of took away the really thin edges that were there from the chainsaw. I'm going to come in and refine around that lower jaw, and I'm going to concave right here so his front lip kind of curves up just a little. So that's it. Let's get you guys some good shots here. Again, you could be done. All right, we got a little crooked nose there. It's because I'm standing off to the side, so I didn't get those nostrils perfect, but it's all right. See the mouth? We just cleaned it up. Okay, it's coming along. I think he's looking really, really good. And so now we can take that smaller bit by saber-tooth, still in the 1/4 inch shaft. What is it? It's a 3/8 of the 1/4 inch bit itself. I can't remember. Now we're going to get in here and just sort of clean up the inside of those nostril lines, and then we'll get in and we can make the mouth a little farther. So this is, again, taking some detail just a little bit more if you want to. If not, you're done. Ready for paint, be done. If you want to go a little farther, this is a way to do it. That's it. That's it. Super quick, easy. Just a closer look at the nose and the mouth. Sorry, it's crooked. There you go. So what I did is I did like an upcut. Let's see if you can see. Sorry. I did an upcut up under these lips, so it gives them more of a three-dimensional look by cutting up. So when you're back here, they got like an overhang, right? And you could continue to carve in here. If you leave more material, you could carve teeth, things like that. You know, maybe in the future we'll do a video on like trying to do teeth. I don't do a lot of those, so it would be, you know, a whole different experience for me. But yeah, that's it. I mean, and there's your face, complete. If you missed the eyeball video, I'll have a link popping up right here, top of the screen. You guys can go back, check that out. At the end of that video, hopefully it'll bring you back to this one. But you just watch this one, so whatevs. But that's it. Well guys, that's going to be it for this video. Carving up the nose, carving up the mouth on this bear. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you learned something here. Hopefully it'll help you take your carvings and your art to the next level. Just remember, practice, continue to keep trying and striving to do better with each piece. Practice is key. So, it may not be the right next video after this one, but we are going to do a repair on this bear. Today I actually got to get a bunch of other work done, so this video will be, you know, within a week or two of these. But we're going to repair this enormous crack. Look at that. Big old crack in there. Right? I'm going to fit my finger in there almost. So we got a good crack in this bear. He's been drying out. If you guys want to learn how to repair that, be sure to hit subscribe and hit the bell that pops up. You guys will be alerted to new videos and that video when it's uploaded, because this is a video that's gonna happen. We're gonna repair this crack, and hopefully by the time we're done painting this bear, you won't even know he had a fix. So I want to thank you guys for watching though. I really appreciate your support, giving videos thumbs up. I really appreciate the comments below and encouraging things that you guys write, and you know, I like engaging with you guys. It's great. So keep that up. If you guys are looking for a video for the future, be sure to comment below what that is. I will have a rooster carving video coming up here pretty soon, if I don't post it before this one. That was a request video, so I'll be putting out a video carving up a rooster for one of you guys. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.